Blu Automotive, earning your trust with every service. We offer expert AC recharge and repair services for both our 134A and the new R1234YF air conditioning systems. We begin our AC recharge service by connecting our equipment to document the initial pressure readings and vent temperature. This allows us to compare the system's performance before and after charging. While allowing the compressor to build up pressure and the vent temperature to stabilize, we also check the blower motor and AC controller functions to ensure everything is working correctly. We document the inspection results with detailed notes and photographs of the pressure and temperature readings. Next, we conduct a visual inspection of the AC lines and hoses for any signs of leaks. We also check the air conditioning compressor for leaks and ensure it is operating correctly. Additionally, we verify the operation of the air conditioning fan. When accessible, we inspect the AC condenser for leaks as well. Once we confirm that the car's air conditioning system is ready for a recharge, we proceed with the service. After the AC recharge, we document the pressure and temperature readings to ensure the system operates according to factory specifications. We also use this data for a before and after comparison to verify the effectiveness of the service. Our AC recharge service includes a comprehensive report featuring detailed notes, along with pictures and/or videos. For vehicles requiring more than an AC recharge, we offer UV leak testing, refrigerant leak detection using infrared sensor equipment, and electrical diagnosis of the air conditioning system by our experienced and knowledgeable mechanics. We are fully equipped to service and repair both our 134A and our 1234YF systems. All of our air conditioning repairs come with a guarantee. Book your car's air conditioning recharge or repair today.